Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome back to yet another video of ElectroPixels. See friends, this is a 22-inch LG HD ready LED TV. In this TV the complaint is solarized picture with green color shade on display. See friends, this is the fault, so let's start the repair. See here, we opened the TV back cover. While checking we found the problem is with the LVDS cable. See, while touching LVDS cable you can notice it. So here we need to replace the cable. See friends, finally we replaced LVDS cable. Now the work is done and the TV started working back to normal.